You have the Nokia 110 4G and you've forgotten your PIN or password. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is Nokia left the default password as, ready? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you're into the phone. And here's the bad news. If you were unlucky enough to change your password or your PIN and you've forgotten it, there is no external buttons. There is no pattern to bypass that lock. Your Nokia 110 4G, unfortunately, is a brick. You have to accept the fact that your phone is trash now. I think Nokia does that on purpose. They've done that with a number of their most recent phones where if you've forgotten the password, your phone is a brick. And I think they do that to cause you to go buy a new Nokia phone. I would suggest not buying a new Nokia phone next time. I have one small suggestion is if you ever change your PIN on this phone or any phone, write down the name of the phone you have, the date, if it's your phone, if you're managing grandma and grandpa's phone or your kid's phone, and you end up on this phone, you've changed the default password, write down the new password. Always write down your passwords on something and keep your paper, your physical copy of your PIN patterns or passwords to your phone somewhere safe. And hey, if this video has helped you, please do 3 things for me. Please like, please subscribe, and please visit our friends at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is a partner of this channel, and right now they have premium wireless plans starting at $15 a month. Mint Mobile brings you the same high-speed data, unlimited talk and text, and nationwide coverage. For all the details, go to trymintmobile.com/Jason Clements. That's trymintmobile.com/Jason Clements. And if we touch the shop now, right now, Mint Mobile has 12-month plans for 5, 15, 20, and unlimited gigabytes. And if you choose the unlimited gigabytes, there's $60 of total savings. And at Mint Mobile, you can still get your physical SIM. You can still get the eSIM. And you can keep your current number, bring your own phone. Again, great nationwide coverage, and all the data you need, you get to choose. And again, we want to thank our friends and partners at Mint Mobile. And thank you for watching.